Welcome to Nature Guys! Welcome to Nature Guys!
Today we'll be taking calls on possible nature sightings.
Nature Guys, what's your emergency?
Nature Guys, I've spotted a wild Wendy on the loose. I need your help right away.
What?
Materials needed.
A rubber chicken. A bouquet of flowers.
A small pear.
A slice of cantaloupe. And last but not least,
You need us.
We spotted the wild Wendy. This is where we need our steps.
This chicken has a camera attached to its beak, perfect for peeking around corners to spot Wendy.
Now that we've successfully sneaked up on Wendy,
It's time for step 3. We gotta fuel up.
now that we're all fueled up, it's time for step 4, the capture.
By throwing this camera, we'll distract the wild Wendy enough so that we can capture her.
thank you for joining this week's edition of Nature Guys.
Tune in next week for Justin Strupczewski.
Nature Guys!